Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in ChatLLM Teams, and today I want to show you their incredible AI video generation functionality. It's absolutely wild here. We're inside ChatLLM Teams. Down at the bottom here, I'm just going to go quickly right into this. Check this out here. You'll see a toolbar at the bottom or an AI super assistant where you can just go ahead and click on some things. I'm going to click on more, and then I'm going to click on video gen. And when I do that, check this out. You'll see here up at the top, Kling AI. So Kling AI is one of the best, if not the best, AI video generation services out there. But get this, when I click that button here, they also have Luma Labs and Runway. The three current best AI video generation tech is built right into ChatLLM. It's literally one click away. Let me show you how to log in. Let me show you what it could do. Let's go. All right, step one is a simple one. Just head over to their website, abacus.ai. Links in the description below. And up at the top, you're going to see ChatLLM Teams. Click on that here. New tab's going to open up, and here we go. If you have an account, sign in. If you don't have an account, just click on Get Started. But before you do that, keep in mind that this is only $10 per user billed monthly. I mention that because ChatGPT alone is $20 a month. So it's half the price and you get access to so much more. It's unbelievable. It's an amazing deal. It's definitely worth taking a look. Click the link in the description. All right, once you're ready to go, click on sign in or get started and let's get cooking. All right, once you're logged in, you should see a screen that looks like this. The first thing I like to do, head up here to the top and just take a quick look around here. Very quickly here, you'll see we've got GPT 4.0 selected. That is for Omni, but if you are looking to do large language model work, you want to put some queries in, they've got access, as you can see here, to all of the best large language models, including O1 Preview, O1 Mini, Qwen 2.5, Claude Sonnet, Haiku. It's all in there. It's absolutely wild. Also, before we get into the AI video generation side of things, let me show you one quick thing here. At the bottom, when you click on image, not only do you get access to all of the best AI video generators, you also get access to all the best AI image generators. Look at this here. Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra is ready to go by default. Flux 1.1 Pro, Dolly 3, Recraft, which just came out. It's just crushing the leaderboards and ideogram. You can select them all easily. So there you go. Not only do you get all that AI video generation stuff, you get everything else as well. And it's for $10, less than half the price of a ChatGPT license. Absolutely crazy, amazing. But let's get into what you came for. Down at the bottom here, at the bottom right, you're going to see more. Click on that here. This is like an AI toolbar, sort of like a super assistant. And then when you click on more, click on video gen. Once you do that, we get this pop-up here. And now I'm going to show you some generation tricks. All right, here we go. So I'm going to click on new chat just in case. So we're starting with a fresh slate here. I'm going to click on more like I did earlier. Click on video gen. And here we go. We get the pop-up. And now we can start using their AI video generators. Now look here. If I click on this little tab or the button, we've got access to all three of the best AI video generators on the market. But here's the other thing. Keep this in mind. If you were to purchase a subscription for each of those and add them up, that's like 60 or 70 US dollars a month. ChatLLM Teams is $10 a month. And you get access to all the AI image generators and the large language models. I have no idea how they do this, but they do it, and it's absolutely crazy. So here we go. We've selected Luma Labs. Let's put a quick silly prompt in here. French Bulldog, oops, on a rocket ship. Just having some fun. Okay, good stuff. We'll go down a little further. We can select the aspect ratio very quickly here. Defaults to 1:1. This is great for Instagram. Instagram does really, really well with the square 1:1 look. But if you're looking for, let's say, YouTube, if you want to do a YouTube standard, the 16:9, this is the widescreen version. Or if you're looking to do a YouTube short or a TikTok, go with 9:16. But we're going to go with standard here. But all of the aspect ratios are here and they're easy to click on. Off we go. If you want to enable the video to repeat seamlessly, go ahead and do that here with this toggle. This is for those of you that do motion graphics and you want to have a seamless motion graphic that's, let's say a circle that repeats. You can go ahead and do that. In this case, I'm not going to. It's available. And then finally here, modify the input prompt for improved video generation results. This is kind of like a smart prompt. So right now, my prompt is very basic. French Bulldog on a rocket ship. If I turn this on, it's going to go ahead and enhance the prompt. And, the AI is going to get a little bit of latitude to have some fun with it. Finally, here, you can do a start and end frame. This is very cool for those of you that have, like, let's say you have an image of your pet in one frame, and then you've got another image of your pet, and you want to animate between them, for example. And I'm going to show this to you. You can do that. I'll show that to you in a second here, but let's just go ahead with this standard here. I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. Watch this, generating video. This may take a while. Take a few seconds here. I'm going to come back when it's done. I'm going to show you what we got. And then I want to show you a few other techniques while I got you. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here. So I'm going to make it full screen, and I can already tell I love it. Even before I hit play, look at this. Look at the ears on this puppy, the face. This is perfect. Even the paws don't have funny fingers or anything. This is amazing. Let's hit play. Oh man, oh man, I love this. This this is amazing, guys. I love this. This was done with Luma Labs, and this was literally one click. Let's get into the next one. It's going to be awesome. All right, so for the next one, let's go ahead and click on New Chat. Again, I can't get over how good that is. Anyways, let's go back down here to More. Let's go to Video Gen. And now we're going to switch out of Luma Labs, and we're going to go to Kling AI. Kling AI is taking over the Twitter sphere, the social media world. It is just absolutely amazing AI video generation. Let's go with it. So Kling AI start frame. Do we want to start with the frame? You know what? For this one, let's do it. I'm going to go into my Finder. I'm going to go to my desktop, and I am going to start off with this frame here of this cute little pupper Drew. There we go. I'm just going to drag and drop in that dog, and while he slowly loads it up, let's go ahead and see what this image looks like. Look at that here. You can even see his little tuffy coming through. Oh, I love it. That's a facsimile of my dog, but in cartoon format. And there we go. Let's go ahead and add in a prompt here. French Bulldog staring at the screen, something like that. I'm just having some fun here. And then let's go ahead and look down here. CFG, it's kind of like temperature. It basically tells how much latitude you want to give the AI to go ahead and make some adjustments and some changes. I'm going to leave it at its default scale, but of course you can go ahead and adjust that as you see fit. Aspect ratio, again, we're going to leave it widescreen, but if I wanted to have a TikTok, I could go ahead and switch it to 916. Duration, this goes up to 10 seconds. This is a very important point. A lot of AI video generators, we're going to stop you at the 5-second mark, and then they make you pay a whole bunch of extra money to get to the 10-second mark. ChatLLM Teams doesn't do that. So let's go ahead and leave it at 5, but just know 10 is available. And then negative prompting is basically, well, if there's things you don't want it to have in the image or in the video. So I'm going to leave this blank, but some people do this, but this is kind of an artifact from the early days of AI image and AI video generation. Modify the input prompt for improved video generation results. Yes, because it did an amazing job in the last one. So we're going to go ahead and run it again. I'm going to click on generate, and let's see what Kling gives us in a few short seconds. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here. This is fantastic. Holy smokes. Remember, I just made a very simple prompt. French Bulldog staring at the screen. We use Kling AI, and this is the exact dog. This is the exact image of the dog. I will even open it to show you. I cannot believe this. Look at that. That's the puppy, and that's the video. You can see the eyes moving around and the head. It's got the little tooth there in the front. Absolutely incredible, guys. This is how good ChatLLM Teams are and the video generation inside of it. Let's do one more. All right, so let's go ahead and try out Runway now. So how do we do that? Easy. Let's go down here to the bottom here into the AI assistant or the toolbar. Click on Video Gen. Now, instead of Luma Labs or Kling, we're going to go with Runway. Easy as pie. In terms of a starting frame, let's start with another frame. I like doing that. So I'm going to go into Finder. I'm going to go back to my desktop. And this one, we're going to start with this cool robot here. So I'm just going to drag and drop that in here. And in case you want to see what it looks like, here we go. We've got this cool robot. So there we go. And I've got pictures of Angelina Jolie in there as well. So you know how it is, guys. So there we go. We've got our robot. We've added that in here. Let's go with our prompt. I'm going to go AI robot doing on the computer, on a laptop. I'm just having some fun here, and I'm going to leave the aspect ratio as is. I'm going to go ahead and change the duration for this one to 10 seconds, just to show you how good this is. You're going to get a 10-second video. I'm going to click on generate. I'm going to come back when it's done and show you what Runway gives us. All right, welcome back. So here we go. You'll see right automatically it says 10 seconds. This is a 10-second long video. Let's hit play. And oh, wow, I can already tell you, this is amazing. It's basically taken the image that we started with. I've got it open right here. There it is. There's our little robot. Look at this. Look at what it's done. It's gone ahead and animated the camera. It's got a zoom in. It's got a bit of a circular motion to it. This was done in seconds, and this was just a click. One prompt, one click. That easy. I don't know what to say except ChatLLM Teams is absolutely killing it here. They've got all the best AI video generators in one place. This is the only app I've ever seen that has this, guys. It's $10 a month. You owe it to yourself to try it out. Links in the description below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.